Okay, so you guys, today is February 18th and I'm doing a vlog because I'm about to go to a car show. It's my grandpa's car show. And then I'm going to Urban Air today because of my birthday party. And yeah.
Party no more.
Well, it's whatever. It's a get together
Yeah.
party.
Party stuff.
Anyways, yeah, so we have to find, oh, it's over there? Is it over there? Because you see the cars?
Yeah, park all
Okay, hold on.
You gotta look at the engine. Look at this engine, y'all.
Why do you have to look at the engine?
Because look how nice it is. It's redone. Look how beautiful it is.
Oh, what is that?
Hey,
Can it go like this?
hydraulics? I don't think so.
Oh, it would be cool if it went like that.
The beauty.
What's
It's
that?
another beauty.
What's that?
The engine.
No, that.
What? The what?
That. You see it with all the, like, the
red?
Yeah.
I think that's part of the engine, Isis.
That's the
Engine, right?
the filter.
Oh.
It's not like cars today where everything's married.
Oh,
I love
look.
this size, right?
Right? It's like a beach car.
Yeah. But Team Beach Smoker.
Yeah.
We got a fire extinguisher in there.
I would get this car in the same exact color.
Yeah, I like this car.
Look, only 3,272 were made in the four-door custom trim. After the 1958 recession, AMC decided to build an inexpensive car that was easy on gas and no frills. What's frills?
None of that stuff we got today.
I like this car.
Stillwater firefighters.
It looked like Batman. You heard me? Batman car.
Angle Group, LLC.
Mustang. I like that Mustang. Oh, that is the engine. I was really confused at first with it. These look like the newer cars. Y'all, little side story. The man of the car came up to me and was like, "Oh, I like your hair. It matches the color of my car." I was like, "Oh, what's your car?" And he was like, "This one." I was like, "Oh," so I took a picture of it. Took a picture by it. Hey, that's my daddy was.
It looks like a Jeep.
Oh, up there. Yeah. See that up there.
Hey, how you doing? Good.
Yeah. You did all this by yourself. I said, no, I didn't. They come in.
It's always like a team.
Yeah, it's a. You see how many people and stuff here?
Look at this big jump. Not donut. What's it called? A muffin. Huge. Can I get a piece of that Kit Kat, Paul? Jim? I did not see that. Oh, you want me to do this? Hi. Good, how are you? Oh. See?
Arcade right here.
Me either. Cool. See?
You want to go to vintage store?
Yeah. Look, it's E.T.
You ain't bring no money, but come on.
I know, E.T. always somewhere. See?
They got that kind from Dollar Tree, so I got one.
Can you press that?
Which one?
The
This right
buzz,
here?
yeah.
I didn't know Buzz Lightyear had this. I'm trying to see if it worked, Mommy.
It says try me. See, Mama, they have all the Barbie collectibles.
Oh, they do. Oh, I gotta come here and get this Barbie. Grease lightning, go.
Oh, look. Look, how much?
$85.
The
Grease.
85.
Yeah. This is a collectible.
Mm.
I feel like I like Barbie.
Oh, look. They say ethnic.
How much an ethnic one?
Ethnic. Oh, Princess of South Africa.
Ooh.
Right.
I didn't know they had one.
Kenya. Me either. Jamaica. They have a Russian. They have, what's this? Portuguese. They have Australian. Okay, yes. They have Danish. They have Cambodia. Okay, now Cambodia. They have Swiss.
I have to go to big.
Princess of.
I'm Barbie wearing it, the braid ponytail you hate.
Oh yeah, I know. Oh, look. They have Wizard of Oz.
Yeah.
Look, right here.
I do.
Wow, that's so cool.
I have like that too.
Mm-hmm.
I like that wheelchair Barbie.
Yeah, Mama. Huh? They have Polynesian, Thai. Yeah, that's so cool. I didn't know Spanish. I did not know they had all these dolls.
Me neither. That is so cool. Mexican. Mexico.
Oh, look, Selena.
Dolls
Oh,
of
is
the
that
world.
Selena? I don't think that's Selena.
So cool.
That's not Selena.
Okay now.
Yeah, so
Fashionista.
no one has that. Mom, who is this?
I don't know. Let me see. Oh, Laverne Cox.
Who?
Laverne Cox got a Barbie? The first transgender Barbie? Let me look her up.
She said, let me look her up.
I think she's a transgender.
Lady and Ricky Ricardo.
Mommy,
I love
Mama,
Lucy.
look, they have one. We have 101 Dalmatians.
The first transgender Barbie. She gotta be the first transgender Barbie.
You hear me, Mommy? They have 101 Dalmatians. The outfit, look how cute.
Yeah, it's really cute.
Look, Cruella DeVille, right here. They have her hidden.
Oh my God.
Someone want her.
Yeah, somebody tried to hide her. But we done found her. She sold.
$55. Not bad.
Not bad.
Oh, look, they have the Flintstones. I was just talking about you. Look, Marilyn Monroe. Marilyn, I did not know you had.
Woman.
Oh, look, Poison Ivy.
Where?
Poison Ivy, I was just talking about you. Oh, look.
These are the Barbies to have. Okay. We gotta get all the classics.
The 80s ladies. Okay, now.
Okay, what's up
Look.
with the 80s?
Right.
They was very colorful.
Mm-hmm.
They was layered up, wasn't they?
They was.
That's kind of how they trying to do it now.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, they had a lot of Barbies.
Grease lightning.
Go, Grease Lightning.
Mom, what I would say if I was a kid? I need this in my life.
Mommy wanted that.
I had everything Barbie. I didn't see this though.
I had something like this, but it was like you could open it and stuff. But it wasn't this big. I did have the Barbie car. I did have the Barbie car.
And a Barbie salon and a Barbie Jeep with a horse. Remember my Barbie Jeep with a horse in the back?
Oh, people were saying
love
on
that.
TikTok how they wanted this Barbie house.
I used to have the Barbie.
Yeah, you got the Barbie dream house.
Yeah. The collectible toys right here.
And they got the raisins.
It's a car in the inside of a car.
Oh, they got one over there too. I didn't know.
Where? Oh, right here. Oh, in the inside of the car. Yes.
Baby one.
And they should have another car inside that car.
That is so cute.
And then so on and so forth.
We didn't look at the inside.
Look, they have this one too.
Look at the inside. We got one.
Okay, so you guys, this was part 1 of this video. This was like the car show thing, and then I'm gonna have the urban air party as part 2. I will post that on Tuesday. I'll post that on Tuesday, so get ready for that video. They was in the same day, just I'm gonna have part 1, part 2, okay? So you guys don't have to watch like the whole full blown 30 minutes probably of a video. And so this was, the car show was all my grandpa. He did the whole thing, right? He had to have partners and stuff like that, but he was like, I want to do a car show, and he did it, and a lot of people showed up. They had like over 5,000 people, I think, at the car show, and like a lot of registration with the car. Okay, they had that. And anyways, you guys, that's all for today's video. If you enjoy it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and share. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.